Welcome to Overlayr, mobile first map georeferencing app, cropping tutorial. Let's build this sample project from the ground up using our layout image. But before we begin, we'll crop out the exact area we need from the image of the layout plan. You'll now see the image picker. Choose from the available options, photo picker, gallery, or, in our case, the file manager to select the image. Select the desired image file. You can use the image as is, but we're choosing to crop it for this example. Large images will be automatically optimized for mobile devices. This red crosshair marks the cropping center point. Place your image under this marker, tap the plus button, and begin marking the outer boundary of the area you want to crop. Made a mistake? No worries. Use undo or redo to correct it. Want to fine-tune a point? Long press and drag, or tap and use the move icon. A little magnifier shows up on top, so you can place it perfectly. And finally, when you're done, tap the Save button to export the cropped image with transparency to your device. Enter a name for the file, and a dialog will appear showing the saved location. Tap the Crop button to open the image in the Georeferencer view. Now you're ready to get to the real work. You'll get Google Maps on one side and your image on the other, all ready to go. That wraps up the cropping tutorial. Catch you in the next one. Thanks.